90,000 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous stage. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. 3 goes into 9 how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3, 9, subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 0, 0 means 0. 3 goes into this 0 how many times? 0 times. 3 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 3, 0. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. Again 0, 0 means 0. 3 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 3, 0. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 3 goes into this 0, 0 times. So 0 times 3, 0. Subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. 0, 0 means 0. 3 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 3, 0. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, so we are done. So our answer is 30,000.